Boom, boom, bop, bop, boom. And out. Hi ladies and gents, in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys all the tips and tricks on how to grow your natural hair, long, luscious, and healthy. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. On September 14th, 2018, I did the big chop, and I'm not talking about scissors, I'm talking about a buzz cut. Yes, I cut off all my hair. It wasn't planned. I actually just told my friend, like, oh, come cut off all my hair. And I was just like, I'm just gonna go natural. I didn't prepare for it. I just was like, I'm done. I'll insert a clip of when my friend just came and cut my hair. Yep. I was just like, I already had a little pixie cut going on, so I was just like, okay, cut it all off and it'll be natural. I love the natural hair movement. That's actually what inspired me to become natural. And I just, I love natural hair. And I'm glad that I did, because I'm just tired of, you know, sitting down, perming my hair. Every time I get new growth, I just have to perm my hair. Like in my house, whenever I get new growth, I'll probably perm my hair like once a month. It's crazy how studies have shown that relaxer can penetrate through your hair shaft and it can cause fibroids and for chemicals to be in your body. After I heard that, I was like, wow. Well, I was already natural before that. It just started to make me realize, why am I sitting down to literally burn my hair for like an hour? Why? It's sad that it took me 20 plus years to see my curl pattern. I didn't even know what I was signing up for. I didn't even know what my hair type would be, how my curl pattern would be. But hey, that's just a little backstory on why I became natural. Now I'm gonna get straight into the video on what I've been doing for the past year and 8 months to my hair. Okay, so for starters, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a lazy natural. Like, I cut my hair and I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna be wearing wigs, yada yada, and I'm just like, what's the purpose of me wanting to be natural, have this, you know, natural embrace your own hair kind of thing going on, and I'm not even wearing my hair, it's under wigs. But don't get me wrong, that's one of the things that I actually do to protect my hair. But also, your hair needs oxygen, just like your body needs oxygen. Even if I have my hair in some Mielle braids and, you know, put my wig on top, I still would condition my hair like once a month. Since I did the big chop, I would condition my hair and then re-braid it into braids. A lot of protective styles help. I love doing Fulani braids. Box braids, I do it here and there, but I just make sure the person doesn't braid too tight near my edges, because I did have a situation where I got dreads. I got faux locks dreads, and my whole edge came out. My whole edges, like this whole side was gone. Thank God for essential oils like Jamaican black castor oil, castor oil. In my room, I literally have a shelf full of essential oils. That brings me to tip number 2. I use essential oils religiously. I use essential oils such as almond oil, peppermint oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil, coconut oil. You guys should know that's my baby. Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil. I really love avocado oil. It's really, really thin, which I love. It's not as thick. Jamaican black castor oil is very thick, but I use avocado oil probably like on an everyday basis just to refresh my hair and stuff like that, because it's not that thick. I'm still testing out different oils to see what works best for my hair, but I noticed that coconut oil and avocado oil are like my gem. Whenever I'm washing my hair, this is what I use. Oh, I use the OGX shampoo, conditioner, coconut curls, quenching coconut curl shampoo, and the quenching coconut curls conditioner. I love OGX products. This is not sponsored. I'm really gonna try to dabble into new products. So if you guys recommend anything for me to use, comment it down below. I love using this on my wash days. Yeah, your girl, when she has a wash day, I use these. Moisture is so good for you. I did not know until recently, actually, that you're supposed to be deep conditioning your hair once a week for 4 type hair. I didn't even know that. So I recently started deep conditioning my hair, and I did notice a difference. I'm not gonna lie to you, deep conditioners are expensive, but I use this once a week. Sometimes I stretch it and I use once every 2 weeks, just because sometimes I realize it's not really much of a difference if I use once a week or once every 2 weeks. So, and this is like $15-16 a bottle, and I got thick hair, so this runs out like water. This is really good. I'm starting to feel like my hair loves peppermint. I believe it has peppermint in it as well. What I'll do, I'll deep condition, I'll put that in. I'll actually put my essential oils in a spray bottle, and I'll like section it, spray it down until it's like damp. Put the deep conditioner on. Once I lather the whole deep conditioner on my hair, I use this. I actually made this. I make a lot of oils, natural oils for myself. This is aloe vera oil from the plant mixed with some coconut oil. I put this on my hair when it's a deep condition day, and I just like lather it on my hair. After 2 hours, I'll wash the deep conditioner out my hair. When I used to do my wash and goes, oh, by the way, if you guys want a video on how I do my wash and goes, let me know. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll take you guys in a shower with me so you guys can see how I wash and go. Well, wash in 30 minutes, do my hair and go. Let's do a length check. I have not straightened my hair, and I do want to straighten my hair. Okay. I'm not gonna pull my hair to like, okay, so I guess my hair is like right at my collarbone. Yeah. I think, yeah. It's right at my collarbone. Yes, girl, shrinkage is real. Also, I'll show you guys a video of my hair before I did a big chop. My hair, it looks healthy in this video, but that's like the back of the hair. And trust and believe, my hair was so damaged at that time. So damaged. I just got a trim, but my hair was so like, I used to perm and dye my hair on the same day and straighten it 3 times a day. Like in the morning, afternoon, evening. I used to straighten my leave out. Girl, my hair was so bad. I don't want to tell y'all half of what I did to my hair. That's basically all the stuff I do for my natural hair. I do want to explore and experience and all that jazz, but I am a creature of habitat. I stick to what I know. So, but I'll try something new. I definitely want to straighten my hair. It's been 1 year and 8 months with no heat on it. But, you know, shrinkage is real. I'm not crazy over shrinkage. Health over length is so important to me, so that don't really matter. But I do want to straighten up. My hair went through an awkward stage for about, I feel like 6 months. You'll get past that awkward stage, trust me. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want that wash and go video, like the video, subscribe. I'll catch you. Oh. Okay, I'll catch you guys in my next one. I was trying to, okay, whatever. Bye. See? That's what I'm trying to do.